Stop waiting for inspiration. Create it with K's Enterprise. Grab your paints, your glue, your courage, and imagination. Let's make magic one craft at a time. Here, every brushstroke and paper petal is an invitation to dream. We mix timeless art techniques with a touch of AI magic, while learning the foundation of art. From painting and sculpting to decorative crafts, you'll find inspiring tutorials and quick project demos designed to ignite your inner artist. So, sip your tea, pick up your tools, and let's spark a little joy together. Hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for a world of artistic inspiration, step-by-step tutorials, and quick projects you can try at home. But don't stop there. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook for behind-the-scenes magic, exclusive sneak peeks, and weekly creative tips you won't find anywhere else. Let's create, connect, and inspire together.